how to stretch your braiding hair, this kind of hair in a pack, how to stretch it and make it into an easy way that you can use to braid. From that way to this, very beautiful looking smooth silk hair for you to use for your braiding and things that you want to use it for. I'm going to show you how to stretch your hair from the long big looking bulk to this very smooth and sleek. The color of hair I'm using is 33. It looks like brown, not dark. Yeah, this is how it looks. When I bring it closer, it looks brown. Very beautiful. I'm going to divide this long hair into 3 pieces. What I've done now is I've folded one end of the hair. This is not the middle. I folded one to be like 1/3 of it. This is 1/3 of the hair. I'm going to cut about 3 pieces out of this hair and join them to be one. So that is one part. And then I'm going to divide the rest of the hair into 2. This is one hair. I'm going to line up the bottom of it. I make sure the bottom is all in line. Then I'll cut in the middle of the hair. And that's it. I got 2 hairs in my hand now. If I hold it, this is 2 hair. I'm going to join it to be 1. And then I'll add the last one. 3. So the long hair that I brought, this is how it looks now. I've divided it into 3 parts. That's it. That's how it looks. And I'm going to pull it and brush it through and finish with my hair. So when I say pull it, I mean stretch it out. This is the end of the hair. I'm going to hold this tight here. I'm going to hold it tight. And then I'll start pulling from the end here. So I'm going to start pulling like this, holding a bit section. That's how it is looking. It's making the end of the hair or the mouth look smoother. You see the difference between this end and this end? So I'm going to continue doing the same until it all finishes. I did not know how to do this about 3 months ago. A friend taught me how to do this and I think I'm getting better with it. So I press my thumb on this here. I press my thumb on it as I keep pulling this out. I make sure I do it little by little, not pull a lot at the same time. I'm going to bring it closer for you to see. This is how it is looking when you stretch it. It will look very smooth. If you haven't stretched it, this is how it's going to look. That's the difference between the one I've stretched and the one I've not stretched. So this one looks very smooth, having a very slick end, and this one is like straight. So I'm going to bring it closer and see what I'm doing. I press my thumb onto this and then I keep pulling here. Just pull it a little bit out. Bring a little bit out of it. Then you see that your hand will naturally be going very fast and be pulling it out. You are pulling out the straight hairs that are standing here and adding them to this one. Very simple, easy way of stretching your hair. This is super easy and relaxing. Just keep pulling out of it, very small amount at a time, and you're almost done. This is how fast you can go. When you do this for a while and you get used to it, you just be pulling it without even knowing. Easy. So that's the one I've done so far. That's the one I've done, and that's the one I've not done. Such a big difference. To finish with this stretching, the next thing you have to do is, this is how the hair is looking. This side is all mixed up as if it's damaged or something. It's all mixed up, look very nasty. All you have to do is shake it. When you finish shaking it, you see that it looks different. It's coming back to normal. It's looking a bit more straight. You can shake it a bit more if you want. Now it looks better. The next thing you have to do is hold the hair, divide it into two. There. Now you have two hair in your hand. You join it the opposite way. This is how it's looking. It look one. You come and do it again. You join it again. You join it again. You're going to do this process until you feel that it's okay enough for you, and the next thing you're going to do is use your brush and then brush through, and the whole hair will look very straight. You see, it is already looking very smooth and straight already without even brushing it. So I'm going to divide this into two and join it a few more times. As I'm doing that, I hold the end here. You can see that some of them are hanging there. You hold it, pull it out, come and add it. The next stage is you are going to use your comb to just go through and slightly start combing from the end, then going into the hair and combing through. You see that there will be some excess of hair inside the comb. You just bring them out of the comb and add it to this and continue brushing through very smoothly until the hair becomes very nice and smooth, good for you to do your braids or whatever you want to use it for. I'm going to go ahead and start brushing it with my comb. So I'm going to start from the bottom of the hair. The more you brush through, the smoother it will look and the longer it will feel like. So this is how it is looking. Also, if it is not long enough for you, you can go back in again and then start from where you stopped from. You come and divide the hair into two again, into two, and add it, make it one. Then you come and divide again into two, divide into two, join, and I'm going to start brushing my hair again, starting from the bottom. That's how your hair look now. This is how your pre-stretched hair is looking. It looks very smooth, really nice. I've not done anything to the hair, but it's looking very bright and shining already. Very nice hair. So the next thing I do is, if you want to preserve it and keep it for a braiding or anything you want to use it for, then I hold the center here. I press my hand on it so hard, and then I try to wrap it around as if a loop. I try to wrap it around here. Then I bring this one through it. I bring my thumb to pull the hair through, tie it like a rope, and bring it out. That is it. Looking like a loop. That's your hair ready. That's your hair ready for you. When you are going to use it, the next thing you do is just put your hand in, hold here, and then pull it out. You hold here and pull it out, and your hair is ready. That's it. And you have your hair back and ready to use. So we are going to put it back into the loop. I go in there, I go in, wrap it around, bring the other side in, and that's it. My hair is ready for me to use whenever I'm ready. And there we have our hair ready for any time we want to use this. This is a one bundle of hair that I stretched. This is looking so smooth and nice, very pretty, super beautiful hair, and the color too is so good. I like it a lot. So that is our hair ready for us. Anytime you want to use it, you just hold it and pull it out, and you untie it and use your brush to brush through, and your hair is ready for you to use. You can do this down, you can do even all your hairs down like this, and you just go in and start using, because anytime you are going to do your braidings, you surely have to stretch it out. This will give you that length that you want and the smoothness of the hair. So there we go.